Hey man, look, y'all heard what's going on. I'm just here to give my take on the Romeich situation. Yeah, because y'all heard what happened at Rebel's birthday party. Romeich and his goons attacked TJ and Maya, his girlfriend, and Jamaica is having a field day about it. I mean, Romeich is a businessman, promoter, and artist manager. TJ and Maya are TikTokers. Now, I don't know them. I never heard of them before this situation. Apparently, they both were in the party, and TJ disrespected Romeich, allegedly. And Romeich goons attacked TJ. And now the internet wants his head, wants Ramesh head. And I'm saying, man, this is the kind of behavior that we like to highlight here on Bright Spark. It's Jamaica's current or modern situation. Nobody talks anything out anymore. Ramesh does a lot of good for the community, a lot of charity or charities for the community, and TJ is basically a no-name TikToker. So what else do you expect? Ramesh guys beat the shit out of TJ and Maya. And I heard that Ramesh is on his way abroad right now on a flight. And they're making it look as if Ramesh is trying to flee the country. But nothing of that sort. This guy takes plane every day, every week. And and right now the internet is making it look as if Ramesh is wrong. And I'm saying Ramesh is not wrong. I mean, if I was in Ramesh's situation, I personally would have knocked the shit out of that guy. He doesn't have any manners. You need to respect your seniors. Jamaica has no manners anymore. Everybody, once they see you have a name, they wanna do what they can do to say, hey, I attacked that guy and I took some stripes off him. But TJ learned his lesson. TJ learned his lesson. He told Ramesh to suck his mother, and the goons attacked him, beat the shit out of him. Yeah, it's all over the internet, and I don't wrong Ramesh for doing that. I think he did a good job because, these TikTokers, they don't know their place anymore in society. Since the advent of TikTok, since the introduction of TikTok, society has lost its mind. How dare you disrespect Romeich? Romeich issues millions of dollars in charity checks. Romeich gave Shensia the limelight. Romeich gave Jamaica clothes, design, music videos. I mean, you're pretty much nobody, TJ. You can't just come and diss Romeich. Romeich is a corporate don. And if I was Ramesh, I would have kicked your butt even worse. You don't diss a man of that caliber and think you're not gonna get what he got, what TJ got. Yeah, you can say what you wanna say, internet guys, but I'm just letting you know Jamaica is not what it used to be. We're witnessing the new world order taking over Jamaica right now. And TikTok is a part of it. TikTok is a part of the agenda to rainbow the younger generation. And TJ is a part of it. So I don't feel any way or feel any remorse about what happened to him. Big up Ramesh.